Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Amazon unboxing. I believe this will be my last Amazon unboxing for a long time because as I'm recording this, I'm ready to head out to camp pretty soon in a few days. By the time you see this, I'll probably be already out there. And I apologize for that, but I have to pre-record or I won't have any videos while I'm gone. Alright, so this is just something really simple. Let's take a look. It's not as easy as I thought to open this bag. Alright, here we go. This is a set of applicator bottles with blunt needle tip squeezer dropper bottles. And this is for application of glue and other things. And it looks like it comes with some brushes. And let's see if I can open this up. So it has a bunch of different tips in here. Don't want to lose them, you guys. All right, let's see. So this is just another giant bag, and they had it rolled up. So they have different colored needle tips in here. So let's grab one, and let's grab one of the bottles. And it looks like they come with tips. So there's tips of different sizes. I don't know if the camera is picking it up. What if I put it behind the bottle? So there's this, oh my goodness. These are the two size tips. And I bought this, it says it's used for glue, which could come in handy because I do a lot of things that require glue. I'm just going to throw those both in there. And I guess that is how you cap the bottle later with one of those stoppers. Unless, it looks like there's a few extra caps in here too. 1, 2, 3, 4. One for each bottle, maybe. I don't know if I'm on camera. Can you see that? They're really tiny. It's hard to get them out. So I was assuming that these fit on top of here, but maybe they don't. Well, I can't get that to fit. So maybe it goes like this. And then like this. I don't know. I'm going to have to read and figure it out. Anyway, the only reason I got these little applicator bottles was so that I could use it with my PBO drawing gum, which is, I should be holding it upside down so you can see it. It's a fluid that dries to almost like an eraser-like state, like, like a rubber eraser at the end of a pencil. And it's just so that you could keep the white of your paper when you're doing watercolor. So it preserves the white. So you could paint over this, and then after the paint dries, you just use an actual eraser or your finger to peel this off, and there's white paper underneath. But it's really hard to get a thin line. So I got these little applicator bottles to do that. So I'm going to have to read how to use these or Google how to use these because I've never used these before. But it comes with a few funnels to help you get the liquid inside the bottles, which is really nice. And that's the whole reason why I got this. And I know that wasn't a very interesting Amazon unboxing, but in case you use this too, and if you've never used it before, apparently these help, but I won't know until I try it. So after I've tried it, I will come back and do a review. But like right now, I am totally clueless. I've never used this before, and I've only used this once. So yeah, but I did want to show you, these were $14.99 for the set of 5 and all of these little tips. And they have 4.7 out of 5 ratings, but there's only 8 ratings. But the 8 people who ordered these said they were good. Amazon had the same thing for the same price, but with only 2 bottles. So I went with this one. We'll see how it goes. It might have been a mistake. This was also from Amazon, but it wasn't one of the Amazon branded ones. Anyway, that's it. $14.99 Canadian for these little applicator bottles with blunt needle tips. And hopefully it will work. Alright guys, I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you know how to use these, please tell me in the comments. That would be very helpful. I will also be Googling it and looking at YouTube videos to see how to do it right. But anyway, that is all for now. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye guys.